maliit, hinili niya ba yung malaki?
Oo. Makin mo yan?
Bakit? Bakit yung maliit ang humihila? Akala ko yung sasakyan lang. Tinutulak na si... Akala ko yung sasakyan lang ang hinihila, pati pala barko hinihila din.
Hilahin ba naman yung gano'n pagkalaki-laki ng barko?
Oo, liit-liit na humihila, oh.
Ito yung humihila, guys.
Ito siguro yung taga-trabaho doon sa ilalim.
Yan, ang humihila.
May lumabas.
Hinihila niya, ang laki-laki.
Kaya yung babuna, ang haba nila kasi nakalayla yung nakali.
Nahila yan?
Hinihila niya?
Hinihila nga.
Hindi, tinutulak daw eh.
Correction, please. Dito ka lang makakita ng ganyan.
Kita ba? May tali, di ba?
Oo. Oo. Ayan ang tali, oh.
Adjust tuloy eh, barko yan.
Oh, ayan ang tali, oh. Ay, kakit ng aso, eh.
Mas cute ka.
Cheesy na lay. Do I looks like a pet?
Mas cute ka. Adjust tuloy yan. Wala ang tali, ano, invisible? Hanap ko pa yung tali.
Oh, somebody's surfing there. Oh, diba?
Meron din kahapon.
Cheesy. Kalalim yan, eh.
Meron kahapon din.
Ne?
Umabot ito niya, yuray mo, oh. Lumandot ko.
They were checking anyways.
Lumabas na siya. Hindi ka naman lumabas. Sabog tuloy, basurahan din natin yan. Yes or no?
No. No.
Kindaling ka talaga, kindaling. Matag mo lang ni ex mo kita.
Cheesy. Put it here. In here. Same as mine. Do it now. Yeah, that's girl. And here's the jellyfish. Ang dai. Ang dai. Ayun. Laki-laki pati. Jellyfish. Ayun isa. Oh, maliit. Ito malaki. They were gonna cross it.
When?
Until North Point.
Parang maalan, no?
They were sorry if, you know, there's a big ferry passed by.
Jellyfish nun eh.
Hayo, that's the biggest one. Parang
Box yan?
Parang moons.
Box
I
ba
don't think so. No, that's
Box ba yan?
no. This is honor.
Ano? Honor pala daw. Honor. Pag box daw.
Your honor.
Versus wall.
Look how big this jellyfish is. And here they are. Are they all? Yeah, no. There's a girl.
Yun pala yun.
They were sorry, you know, if a big ferry boat passed by because of the big waves. Hello. Here comes a wave. So they should be. Allah. This is quite dangerous while you're here, guys. Look at the wave.
Yes, it's against them.
I don't know if it's allowed though. Is it kayaking? Is it called kayaking?
I don't know.
Hello! It started now. Can't wait to see them. Hello, faster! Ay! Ayun no, yung pangalawa doon no. I-follow ka lang talaga sa alon. Magsabay ka lang talaga sa alon. Isabay mo. Ayan o. Aquamarina. Ah, mga ano pala sila. Hala kayo. Cool, man. Hello. Kat-katawa dyan, may kadwa. Struggling yung nasa huli, oh. Dumaan lang naman kasi sila, eh. Dapat kalmado ka lang, no? Yung you're not supposed to shake. People catch me, question me. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? And that's it for today's vlog. Thanks again for watching and always tuning into this channel, City Rose. See you in my next vlog. Bye.